Hello friends. In the last video we have seen the process called as threshing. In the threshing we have seen two components. First it's a threshing cylinder and second it's a concave plate. Now as soon as the threshing process happens, whatever the material which is been crushed, whatever the harvested material which is been crushed, it will fall on the sieves which is been present just below the concave plate. Here the winnowing process starts. In the winnowing process, simply we can call it as a cleaning process. It is nothing but separating the grains from the mixture of grains, chaff and other impurities in an airstream from a natural or artificial source. Hence, for that purpose, we have to install a fan, we have to install a blower, or we have to do it in a natural way. The working principle of winnowing process is been done on the basis of its density or weight. Now to carry out the winnowing process, we are having three methods. First it's a winnowing basket, second winnowing fan, and third winnower. Now you know that the winnowing basket, it's a traditional method that a person has to hold a winnowing basket. In the winnowing basket, he has to put the mixture of grain and the impurities. As soon as the winnowing basket is been oscillated and been tilted in the forward motion, material will fall down. When we are exposing it in the airstream, whatever the low density particles or lightweight particles are present, those would flow out, and the high density material or grains will fall down on the surface, where we have to collect the grains and then it can be used as edible part. Third, next method is winnowing fan. In the winnowing fan, what we have to do, we have to lay down the threshed grains along with the impurities. The fan is operated with the help of handle so that it will blow an air. As soon as the air is being blown, it would flow away the lightweight impurities or lightweight particles such as husk, hulls, etc., and the grains will remain there at the place. Next method is mechanical winnower. You can see in the diagram that there are certain components. The first component is the hopper through which we have to feed the material. Material in terms of the mixture of grains, mixture of impurities, etc. Just below the hopper we have to install the baffles so that the material will flow in a zigzag manner. Why in zigzag manner? When we are allowing the material to flow in zigzag manner, that material will take time to flow towards the bottom. In this particular time span, we have to expose it in the airflow by means of artificial air. You can see at the right corner over here the blower is installed, which is been running on the basis of motor. Now when we are blowing air through a blower, it will expose the stream of air on the material through the baffles. Whatever the heavyweight materials are there, those would directly fall down on the surface. These are heavy weight impurities such as stones, etc. Some materials will some materials will travel some distance and that will drop at that particular second container. These materials will be having a medium weight. In this medium weight material, the edible grains are collected, while some particles which are very low weight, those would flow at higher distance and will be collected at the last container. That will be a chaff, dust, hulls, husk, etc.